Have you ever felt lost while negotiating a salary in Indian companies? Well, don't worry. I'm going to reveal the secret code which can help you to get your dream CTC package. In next few minutes, you will learn exactly how to crack this code and get the salary you deserve. By end of this video, you will feel confident and ready to take charge of your career. Remember, this isn't just a generic guide. This is ultimate blueprint tailored especially for Indian job market. Did you know that 80% of employees who understand these tips will end up with much higher salaries? Hello everyone, welcome to School of Management. Myself Vijay Kumar, and today we are going to discuss about salary negotiation tips for Indian corporate world. So let's get started. In India, respect and hierarchy plays a huge role in negotiation. You can't just walk into HR and demand a raise. That's a surefire way to get turned down. Approach conversation with humility and politeness. Think of it like a game of chess, where every move needs to be carefully planned. For example, instead of bluntly saying I want a raise, try saying I would appreciate a review of my performance and pay. This gentle approach shows respect and make HR more willing to listen. Now, once we cover the cultural aspect, let's dive into the specific strategy for negotiating a salary with HR in India. Number 1. Research and preparation. You got to know what is your market rate for your position. Use websites like Glassdoor or PayScale to know the rate. Did you know the candidate who came prepared with market data are 70% more likely to secure a better offer? Amazing, right? Number 2. Highlight your achievement. Always make a list of your achievement and how they help your company. Remember, specifics are your best friend. Avoid vague statements like I worked hard. Instead of that, say I increased our sales by 20% in last quarter. Numbers speaks louder than words. Next one is timing and patience. Always wait for the right moment to initiate a salary negotiation. This usually happens when you've already proved your value and you have received an offer. Think like you're waiting for a perfect wave to surf. Jumping too soon and you will crash, or waiting too long, you will miss it. The next one is legal and market standard. Understanding the legal and market standard is a key for successful negotiation of your salary. First, let's talk about the minimum wage law. You need to know the minimum wage laws in your state to ensure that you are not being underpaid. For instance, in Maharashtra, the minimum wage for skilled labor is much higher compared to other states. So make sure you are aware of these details. Next, industry standard. Each industry has a different pay scale. IT professional, for example, can expect higher starting salary compared to other sectors. And don't forget about benefits and perks. Don't just focus on salary. Think about benefits like health insurance, bonus, and flexible working hours. So, there you have it, the secret key for unlocking salary negotiation in India. Always remember, patience and confidence are your key ally while discussing the salary negotiation. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share it with your friend. Good luck for your next salary negotiation. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your success together. Bye for now.